Good morning and welcome to Goa with me in another times where I am visiting Goa again in the monsoon. Right now I am at Galgi Baga Beach and today's itinerary is a little fast because I have to log in for my office around afternoon. It's 8:30 and the plan is to visit couple of places. I'm not sure if we will be able to do that because they are a little bit fast, but then if we stick to a particular time, if we stick to what we have decided, we should be able to do this. So to start with, we are today here at Galga Beach.
वो आप क्या बोल रहे हो, वो समझ में नहीं आ रहा है। वो क्या नीचे सबटाइटल भी नहीं है ना?
Galgi Baga Beach, and let me show you the place.
गालगी बागा बीच साउथ गोवा का एक पॉपुलर जेम है एंड दिस प्लेस इज अ नेस्टिंग हेवन फॉर ऑलिव रिडली सी टर्टल्स। यहाँ आप टर्टल नेस्टिंग अक्टूबर टू फरवरी के बीच दे सकते हैं। आई पर्सनली ओनली एंजॉय द प्लेसेस व्हेन दे आर लेस क्राउडेड, सो इस व्लॉग में आपको वही लोकेशंस दिखाने की कोशिश है।
ये पालोलिम से 10 मिनट की दूरी पे है because we are staying at Kanakona and that's how we drove. We reached here in like 10 minutes. This beach in the morning, even though it's the morning, धूप है, काफ़ी है, मानसून है, आज अगस्त का महीना है, but the climate is pretty pleasant compared to how you would come in the summer season. This is the reason why मैं usually Goa monsoon में आना prefer करती हूँ because you would see a lot of greenery around. So पृथ्वी, अभी हमारी next destination क्या है?
Rajbagh Beach is our next location.
So I already have a vlog जिसके अंदर मैंने सारी places visit की है honestly, but मैं वापस visit कर रही हूँ because 2 साल हो चुके हैं and I have not been here. That is also one of the reason, and also because I am hosting a group trip in South Goa where I'll be visiting these places and I'll be taking my group with these places. So that is the overall plan. Google Maps ने हमको ये रास्ता दिखाया. This is a very famous bridge. I've seen it in movies and I've seen it in a lot of reels also. And the thing is, we cannot go to Rajbagh Beach from here क्योंकि हमारे पास कार है. We are driving in Goa, right? तो आप अगर बाइक से आ रहे हैं तो I would suggest you to take this route. You see? बट अगर कार है या फिर टेम्पो है तो वो नहीं जाएगी. एंड आई थॉट ऑफकोर्स वी आर टेकिंग अ यू टर्न, तो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना आपको ये जगह दिखा ही दूँ. Alright, I am in love. This is such a scenic place. क्या इसे ही ऑफ बीट गोवा कहता है? So when in Goa, always carry an umbrella. बारिश हो ना हो, it will still be very useful.
दिस बीच इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट। यहाँ अपने क्लोज्ड लोगों के साथ आना परफेक्ट होगा क्योंकि दिस हैज़ अ प्रिटी लेड बैक वाइब एंड इट ऑफर्स अ टच ऑफ लग्जरी विद इट्स पीसफुल रिजॉर्ट सेटिंग। डोंट फॉरगेट टू कैरी योर ओन पिकनिक बास्केट इफ़ यू आर कमिंग विद द ग्रुप, क्योंकि मुझे यहाँ खाने पीने के ऑप्शंस काफ़ी लिमिटेड लगे।
So we played kabaddi. I was not able to manage even one successful attempt, but it was fun. But then धूप है and then we are running on a strict schedule, so हमें भागना है. And I couldn't take more shots because बहुत ही stupid सी चीज़ कर दी है मैंने. I have forgotten my tripod at home, and not गोवा का home, पुणे का home. So अभी मेरे पास जो गिम्बल है उसके साथ मुझे जुगाड़ करना पड़ेगा. एंड बट वो गोवा के होम में है, एयरबीएनबी वेयर वी आर स्टेइंग. सो आज के वीडियो शायद थोड़े परफेक्ट ना हो, दिस इज़ द बेस्ट आई कुड डू क्योंकि अभी मैं वापस कर नहीं जा सकती.
इस लोकेशन पे आते ही मेरा माइक बंद हो गया. आई डिडंट रियलाइज कब इसकी बैटरी इतनी लो हो गई एंड यहाँ मैंने जो भी बड़बड़ की है कुछ भी रिकॉर्ड नहीं हुआ. बट कोई नहीं, मैं बस इतना ही कह रही हूँ कि वॉचमैन अंकल ने और आगे जाने की एडवाइस दी है टू सी द लोकेशन. I know गोवा में लोग डैम देखने नहीं आती, but like I said, in this vlog you will see some offbeat gems, and if you're someone like me who loves visiting non-crowded places, this could be a great picnic spot again. I felt like this is an ideal monsoon retreat for those seeking tranquility near the beaches. Swimming is definitely not recommended. हमने try भी नहीं किया, तो आप लोग भी please careful रहना.
And there's this small tip that I'm going to share with you is that whenever you are deciding to visit new locations, हम लोग सबसे बड़ी गलती पता है क्या करते हैं, हम लोग जैसे ही व्यू दिख जाता है वैसे ही रुक जाते हैं. So I want to suggest you all that don't stop immediately when you see a particular spot. Maybe go a little आगे and you might find a spot which can totally just be yours. So after a drive from Chapoli, we have reached Agonda beach and यहीं पे हम लोगों ने actually खाना खाया. We had our lunch. Can't call it lunch, we should actually call it brunch because sun is completely ऐसे ऊपर हमारे, and that's why we have our own umbrella. And the beach is closed, as in nothing on the beach is open, no shacks, no stays, no properties, and there is a particular reason for that. So monsoon time in Goa at these beaches like Agonda and Galgi Baga, what the locals told me was कि ये टाइम पे टर्टल नेस्टिंग होती है and you might be able to find some even over here at Agonda. Chances बहुत कम है, but जिसकी वजह से they have to completely close the beach, close the shacks, close the stays. So it's not allowed. Government की तरफ से ही it is not allowed, and this is the reason why in monsoon you will not be able to visit Agonda. So of course winter should be the perfect time to see the best of it because ये जगह काफ़ी famous है when it comes to the places of South Goa. Okay, so our day is going to end over here. Why? Because both of us have work now after afternoon. This is the reason why हम लोग सुबह 7 बजे उठ के बाहर निकले ताकि हम लोग कुछ places explore कर पाए. And we were able to, few of them, and now we don't know how our day is going to look like. So that's how we are going back. We had lunch. And now we are leaving from Agonda to go back to our stays. And the Airbnb is a very simple studio apartment which has a kitchen, it has a washing machine, it has a fridge, it has a bed, it has a place to sit and work from. So it was perfect, it was in budget, so that's why we booked this place. We are ending our day, but then here are a few things that I do want to share with you since you might plan to come to Goa now. A very big tip that I want to give you with experience because Goa में मैंने Google Maps को use करके बहुत travel किया है and it has not been a good experience. तो अगर आप Google Maps use करके इधर उधर घूम रहे हो, please switch your Google Maps to satellite mode. I'll tell you why. Because when you do that, you're able to see where you have particular shops or where you have greenery around, where you have water bodies. So this way, you're able to identify the right roads. Yeah, so Google Map गोवा में इतना proficiently मैंने आज तक use होते हुए नहीं देखा है. And Google Maps is behaving weird these days. I don't know why. Whenever we miss a turn, it asks us to go very far, take a U-turn and come back and take the same turn. It's very stupid. I don't know what's happened to Google Maps. So yeah, I mean if you're using Google Maps, don't use it blindly. Alright, we are back to the apartment where we are staying at. And the main need was to actually stay near Palolem because you get to visit a lot of, you get to travel to a lot of other options from here and they are pretty near. And I also want to say that there are more vlogs coming, so stay tuned and thank you so much for watching this vlog.